Amen? Magnify the word. How do I magnify it, Pastor? You bring attention to it. Really, I like to say it this way. You bring your attention to the word. Because sometimes people will start demonstrating and declaring and saying things because they want other people to know. No. You know, they do it to look faithful and to look strong in front of everybody else. No. That's not the motive. Now, when you're by yourself, when you feel like pulling the covers over your head, when you're feeling frustrated, when you feel like punching a hole in the wall, whatever the emotion that's trying to get you to respond in that moment when nobody's looking, go ahead and pitch a fit. Nobody's looking. Go ahead and crash out. Nobody's looking. Go ahead and do whatever the thing is that you want to do to find relief at that moment when nobody's looking, when it's quiet, at the darkest. You know what you do? You magnify the word. You say it. You declare it. You dance a jig. Amen. You sing it. You meditate on it. You say it so yourself can hear it.